They said each one would replace the independent insurance agent. After reading Matteo Carbone's article, let's talk about insurance distribution before ChatGPT disrupts it, published by Carrier Management, I started thinking about the disruptions I have witnessed during my 34 years in insurance. Every new channel and technology seemed to arrive with the same prediction. Carbone discusses many of these directly, including digital and direct distribution, online comparison, Google, Amazon, InsurTech, embedded insurance, autonomous vehicles, and ChatGPT-driven insurance applications. I added 1-800 insurance sales, banks selling insurance, telematics, and blockchain based on the changes and predictions I have experienced throughout my own career. Each one disrupted something. They changed how we, quote, communicate, underwrite, sell, and service insurance. They raised customer expectations and changed how work gets done. But they did not eliminate the independent agent. We're still here, and we're still essential. Technology changed the tools. Trust, judgment, and relationships remain. The question isn't whether AI will eliminate independent agents. The question is whether agencies will adapt their workflows so their people can use these tools responsibly, efficiently, and effectively. That is where the next real disruption will happen. Do you have any to add? I am sure there are more. Comment below with your story about these disruptions.